Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Snacks for breastfeeding moms. Breastfeeding can bring fulfillment and joy to both mother and child. The mother's nutrition is often overlooked. As a result, the quality and quantity of breast milk are affected. It is suggested that the mother include snacks between meals to fulfill her nutritional requirements and provide more satiety. The following are some of the quick snacks for breastfeeding moms that taste amazing and provide great nutrition to the baby. Cottage cheese with fresh fruits and vegetables, a healthy source of protein, calcium, and dietary fiber. Ingredients: cottage cheese, fruits or vegetables. Method of making: prepare the cottage cheese. Mix it with cut fruits or vegetables of your choice. You can also season it if you like. Nuts and dried fruits trail mix, instant source of energy with nutrients like fiber and potassium. Ingredients: nuts, cashews, almonds, walnuts, etc. Dried fruit. Method of making: combine equal parts of nuts and dried fruits. Add extra crunch by throwing in some mini pretzels or air-roasted popcorn with toasted coconut. Eat once or twice a day. Boiled eggs and chocolate milk, protein-rich snack to kick up milk production. Ingredients: eggs, chocolate sauce, a glass of milk. Method of making: boil the eggs for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cut it in half and sprinkle some salt and pepper. Take a glass of milk and add chocolate sauce and mix it well. Banana and rice cake, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Ingredients: banana, rice. Method of making: cook the rice well. Mash it and shape it in the desired way. Slice a piece of banana and garnish it on the top. Dark chocolate and raspberries, rich in antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients: dark chocolate, raspberries. Method of making: blend the dark chocolate. Add few raspberries to it. You can also eat a dark chocolate bar along with raspberries. Hummus and celery, rich in protein, tasty and an effortless snack. Ingredients: hummus, celery, crackers or vegetables if you don't have celery. Method of making: take some hummus in a bowl. Chop celery stalks finely. Use hummus as a dip and enjoy celery with it. Dates stuffed with peanut butter and walnuts, hassle-free sweet snack high in iron and fiber. Ingredients: 2 dates, 4 walnut halves, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Method of making: slice dates and remove pits. On each piece, spread some peanut butter. Combine 2 slices. Serve with walnuts halves on top. Eating healthy snacks results in the right kind of food going into your system so that you can dedicate yourself fully to motherhood. Eating healthy and drinking sufficient fluids will result in an increased supply of quality milk for your baby, as well as nutritious consumption for breastfeeding mothers.